Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. I'm here with a review. So I was gifted some makeup by a company called Revant. They have eyeliners that goes on smoothly. It's vibrant and long-lasting, water and smudge proof. Okay, we need that one, right? 60-day money-back guarantee. Free shipping on orders $40 plus dollars. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It gave me 6 eyeliners, and I'm so happy about it. So this one is the black color. So I'm going to put that on first. Now, guys, I was doing those eyelashes, and sometimes it just weren't coming out right. I do like them though. But to me, I see that black. It's easier for me to put on the eyeliner and then do some mascara. I wish I had that Revant mascara, y'all, because they said a mascara too. It's easier for me to do that now. This one here is the navy. I'll let y'all see that color too. This one here is the brown. Get that out. So I'm glad this company reached out to me. I like getting makeup and stuff, especially new things that you didn't hear. And this makeup is mainly for women who are older. I think they said 45 years old and older. Okay, so let me show you the brown. Okay, I got 3 more left here. 3 more left. Now, this is one of my favorite colors. This one here. And this is the green. That's so pretty. I might leave this green out to do my little look. Okay, I love green. I like navy too, though. This one is the gray one. See, that's a nice gray. Gray is something else. And I have one left. And this is the purple. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, so everybody, again, this makeup is for older women. I actually think, in my opinion, I think that some younger women could wear it too. But it's good that they have some things for us. Okay. So, baby cakes. These are the colors. Oh, I'm getting ready to do my look. I will be right back. So, ladies, I'm going to be looking in my mirror. My mirror's over here. So, if you see me like squinting and stuff over here, I didn't lose my mind yet. Okay. I'm just looking in that mirror. Oh, this is the green. I told y'all it's my favorite color. I kind of want to mix that blue in there too, but I'll do that another time because I want this to come out right. It's just as smooth as they said it is. Just as smooth and pretty. And so when I was younger, in my late teens and my early 20s, I used to wear eyeliner because I think it really does bring your eyes out nicely. And my eyes wasn't like it is now. They went really, well, I was told they were pretty. Okay. When you get older, your eyes and stuff change sometimes. But I was always told that they were pretty. So I'm getting this Revant on in the green. Now I have purchased some eyeliners and it's kind of hard, you know, kind of hard, but I used to make do and use it anyway, but this here is better. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. So what do y'all think about this? Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. Let me see if I need a little bit more up here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know, you might want to buy this for the person who you love. Sometimes you may think, I don't need no eyeliner. It's quicker than them lashes. Them lashes are pretty now. Those lashes can be very pretty if you don't overdo it. Okay, so this is really nice. And you can blend it in if you want to. You don't really have to, but if you want to, you can. So what do y'all think? I'm going to put a little mascara. Now, Revant. Ladies, ladies, ladies. Sasha may need that mascara, girl. I may need that mascara. So I have some mascara, so I'm going to put it on to the side here. And when you get older, sometimes you have the hooded eyelids. Yeah, I got that. I never thought I was going to have that, but I do. Okay, so this opens up that eye. Make you look so fresh. And you don't look so tired like I be looking. This is my look, ladies. Check it out and see if this is for you, honey. Because if you buy this, you're going to get 10% off. Okay? It's already affordable. I am a big fan of eyeshadow. Now, people in my area, they don't wear a lot of makeup. They don't wear eyeshadow stuff, but I'm an eyeshadow girl. But I think it's easier with this eyeliner because at the end of the day, sometimes I have smudges all in here, all over the place. So the end of my review. Y'all, check out Revant and see what it can do for you. And if you're an older woman like me, it's good to have stuff like this on hand. They richly blessed me with these 6 eyeliners. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. But Revant, I might have to pick up that mascara. Okay. This is good without it, but mascara, ladies. Mascara. Thank y'all so much for watching.